If you're serious about working in your garage, then you gotta be serious about your floor because it's essential to having a clean shop. It's also, let's be honest, the first thing that everyone notices when they walk in. Our floor is an epoxy coating that not only looks fantastic, we've also built race cars and countless other projects on this floor, and it looks great. Now, QuestMark's premium epoxy garage flooring kit comes with everything that you need. Epoxy resin and hardener, the urethane top coat and hardener, 1 pound of decorative paint chips to make that floor look good, and all the tools to mix up and apply to your floor. It's available in 4 colors: charcoal gray, light blue, medium gray, and camel. Multiple paint chip options allow you to customize your floor. Our Detroit Muscle Studio also got the same treatment. QuestMark not only creates a great looking, high durable surface, but protects from gasoline, road salt, motor oil, and other common substances found in your garage that somehow always end up on your floor. Look below for a link to purchase now, and to get a 15% discount, use the code PowerNation15 when you check out. So when you're ready to take your garage to the next level, check out QuestMark's Garage Flooring Kit. You can save a lot of money, do it yourself, and it looks awesome. I'm Gannon Pritchard. This is PowerNation Garage, and I'll see you down the road.